Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gearing up. Grab a survival knife, a scanner, and at least one spare oxygen tank so you can stay down longer. Head to shallow reefs and kelp forests where limestone outcrops cluster. These break into immediate titanium. Once you find a dense patch, place a beacon and swim a sweeping pattern to clear multiple nodes. Do this first to build a steady stock so you can craft tools and expand without running back to base constantly. Now expand to wrecks and metal salvage. You need to use a repair tool on some salvage pieces to recover titanium. Other debris yields scrap metal and wiring that you can convert. Swim cautiously into wreck interiors with a flashlight and loot lockers and terminals for extra materials. Once you collect scrap metal, place 2 scrap pieces into the fabricator to produce titanium. This middle phase yields larger batches that let you prioritize bases, vehicles, and upgrades without wasting mining time on isolated outcrops. Finish by consolidating and stockpiling titanium so you never stall crafting. Convert extra salvage and scrap into titanium at the fabricator, then store organized stacks of 10 to 50 in lockers near your base or Seamoth Bay. Once stocked, rotate between harvesting spots to keep reserves topped up. If you find you're still short, rescan your area, return to marked beacons, and clear inventory so you can pick up outcrops. That usually fixes missing pickups or overlooked nodes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.